Hi, my name is Anders. I'm a designer here at UMAGE, and today I'm showing you how to install the Clava Up Wood. This lamp can be installed on both the wall and the ceiling, but today I'm showing you how to install it on the wall. Let's have a look at the content. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The Clava Up Wood comes in two versions, but today we're installing the medium size, but also comes in a large version, and the procedure is exactly the same. So to unbox is just pull off these small stickers here. No knife needed. Flip it around. Pull off the lid. And in the box you'll find the user guide, take you through all the steps of the installation, and also some safety recommendations and requirements. And besides that, it's just a fully assembled lamp. This. And first thing you need to do is to take out this center wall mount piece and leave the actual shade, because we're going to start with this piece mounted on the wall and continue with this afterwards. Depending on your situation, you might have the wire coming out from a wall outlet behind the lamp. If that's the case, then feed the wire to the lamp through this hole. Then the wire will be completely concealed. Another scenario can be that the wire is coming from outside the lamp, then you feed the wire through this hole. These two installation options are also shown in the user guide on page 8 and 9. So, next step is to open up these two strain reliefs. After undoing the strain reliefs, you also need to pop open the terminal block. This just and here you'll find the sleeve. Don't lose that. Of course, undo terminal screws here. You can take this off, but it needs to go on the wire as well. The wire goes in here through this grommet here, and then through the sleeve. And then into the terminal block here. You can actually pop this out also to get better access. It's just easier. Like that. Contact your local professional in case you're uncomfortable with this part of the procedure. Nice and tight. And then you need to put back the enclosure. And then slide on the sleeve. It goes into these small grooves here. And then pop on the lid. And after that, there are only strain reliefs to do. So now we're ready to install this piece on the wall. complete with all the electrical connections. So let's go to the wall. So first, I'm gonna indicate the position of the holes in the wall. Depending on your wall, you might be able to screw directly into it. This is a dry wall, so I'm just gonna use some raw plugs, and for this I need to pre-drill. So in goes the raw plugs, and of course, yeah, depends on your situation entirely. I just use this method here at our office. There we go. We've got our holes drilled and raw plugs inserted, and now we're going to screw on the centerpiece here. I have put on a small extender for my bit, because it will help me get far enough in to the centerpiece here. You can use a handheld screwdriver, but I'm using a power tool here. Just go nice and easy. All right. So next step is to remount this face plate here. Just tuck back in the terminal block here. Put this over here. Goes over the socket. And redo these small screws. And then in goes the bulb, of course. This is a G45 that we supply. And this is the size that is recommended for this lamp. It's the last step of the video. So it slides over, and then you just twist in place. Don't worry about this faceplate here not being totally horizontal or vertical, because you can twist it to your liking. So this was the installation of Clava Up Wood. I hope you enjoy the product, and if you have any questions, you can always contact us on info@umage.com.